Hey, it's Sam here. Welcome to Email Ramp. This is a brand new software that is full of a whole bunch of pre-written for you emails that cover a huge number of niches that you can use in your own email marketing campaigns. Now, to be effective with email marketing, you have to have good copy. Now, to have good copy, you have to be very good at writing emails, writing sales copy, describing things to customers, okay, and being able to get through to them in a good way. This takes years of learning, and in fact, I've been doing this since 2014. And I still feel like every single day I am learning new skills and new ways to do this. Now, sometimes when you're doing bigger money campaigns, things like that, you employ a copywriter. Now, a copywriter will happily write out a sequence of emails for you in a professional manner. However, this can cost you hundreds of dollars as well. So if you're just starting out in online marketing and you're looking for a huge resource of what you could use for your emails, this is quite a good solution. It is a software and resource combination, basically. Well, it's presented within a software. Okay, so this is the dashboard here. Easy, quick tutorial to check it all out. Okay, it's simple to select a niche. You just go through, click on it, and you can choose internet marketing, parenting, family, weight loss, cryptocurrency, all these sorts of things. So all of this is very, very relevant at the moment, especially some of the top niches: weight loss, dating, also online marketing thing. Let's have a look at cryptocurrency because this personally interests me. Okay, so as you can see, there is a product launch email sequence. So if I select that, we can see there is a whole bunch of emails that are written out as well. Okay, there is a series of them. Okay, so you can have ebook ones, for opt-ins and things like that as well. Now, what you could do is let's jump out of cryptocurrency and let's go into internet marketing, because I know there's a huge list. This is a bit better. Okay, so we've got list nurturing, pre-launch, product launch, storytelling emails, re-engagement, discount and time limited offers, and emotional selling. So lots of different ways to be able to do this. So let's go into like a storytelling email section. If I click select, as you can see, there is a whole bunch of emails in here. There's 12 different emails we could choose from just within this niche. So I could go through, I could select one that I want. So if I just choose this one, I'm going to click view, and then you can see the series topic up here. It's got a summary description, it's got the email description here, and then it's got a whole sequence of emails that go through. There is a 6 email sequence within this. Okay, I can go through and edit these emails right within the editor and save them as I want, as per my own. Once I've done that, I can then copy this to my autoresponder and send it out to my customers. This is a much better example of the cryptocurrency one I just showed you, probably because crypto is quite new, so it's not loaded with emails like this particular niche. Okay, so if we jump into some of the other niches as well, let's go back to home. I'll go select niche, and we'll jump into, let's go the weight loss category. That's quite popular as well. So again, you've got all the categories that you could use for these emails. Now there's 999 of these emails as well. So for a very small one-time price, you can get access to this today and be able to use these within your own marketing campaigns to be able to help convert your list into buyers, or help turn your traffic or opt-ins, leads, whatever you want, into buyers as well via email marketing. So that is basically Email Ramp. I encourage you to check it out down below for more detail on the bonus page. This is Sam. It's been a pleasure to show you through Email Ramp here today.